Hi everyone! Quick update. It is freezing, there is snow everywhere. And frankly, I did not sign up for this weather package. I go outside only for a very short moment. Sometimes I don't even bother putting on my jacket. Why? Because I am brave, and also stubborn, and also cold. Unfortunately, I must go out to supervise what's happening outside. This is my duty as a dog. Do I feel like playing in the snow? Not really. I prefer sunshine and warm vibes. But I have to run anyway because I need exercise, and my humans insist on it. Even my older sister hates this weather. She only goes outside when absolutely necessary. Every day I play with different toys to release my energy. This is not optional. This is a safety procedure. Of course, I sleep not in my own bed. I also stole a pajama so I can cuddle into it properly. I am a very cute dog, and this behavior is legally justified. Let me know what the weather is like where you live. Stay warm, stay safe.